Hey everyone, Gil at Camppatton Family Compound. Got an unboxing of something I ordered to help me out here. And I was debating whether to put this here on Camppatton Family Compound or over on Gray Man Prepping because it fits both. And so let's get it open. Got my everyday carry here. Alright, so cool. So car jump starter and the box here up. Oh, hey, it's all in here. Cool. Let's take a look inside here and see what we got here. Oh, that's what the inside looks like, and we got cables and stuff over on this side, and we got the main unit on this side. So let's see what we got here. So we have this is a quick connect for the cable before it plugs into the unit and gives you the two rather flimsy, I'm sure what size cable that is. That might be, it might be 12 gauge cables on it. Has a USB to USB B to USB C connector here. And we got some paperwork here. We have a warranty card, some sort of service card, and the instructions on how to operate. And yeah, so the white the USB cable is to charge it, and it has instructions on it. So let me go ahead and pull it out so we can compare those to the instructions to see if everything matches up accordingly. Okay, there's how they did it. They stuck. It has some glue stuff on there. It just kind of tearing the bag apart instead of coming unstuck, and it's really not very user friendly for opening. Like it starts to open okay, and then it just won't let go of the bag it's supposed to be sealing to temporarily. Okay, tore it up. There we go. Okay, so has a thing around here. Hang on 1 minute while I get my glasses so I can read this stuff. Okay, caution, fully charged before using. Okay, I think it goes without saying, so that's what this here is all about. And an even finer print: do not incinerate, do not operate this starter while charging in progress. Okay, yeah, so you don't use it in combination with other stuff. So you have on the side here, we got a rubber cover, and it has several different type of USB ways to charge it. You got the one input, the small one, and you got two outputs. One is a 2.4 amp, the other is a 3 amp. And on this side here, we have where this is supposed to plug in, and if it has this one here has a flat side on it, so it can only plug in one way. And when I plug it in, it says it's at 85% or 81%, and you get a flashing green and red light, and I'm not sure what that's for, so I'm just going to unplug it for now, and then I'll read what the flashing lights are for. Alright. Oh, it also happens to have there we go, a light. Got to hold it down for a while. Strobe. There, slow strobe and off. So it's multi-position. And let's see what it says here on it. It talks about everything I've covered so far. Talks about you just plug it into a normal little charger unit that you plug USB cables into. Please use a 5 volt 3 amp or 9 volt 2 amp or 12 volt 1.5 amp for charging. Turn on your jump starter, push the main switch on the side, which the only main switch I see is the one that does the, if you do it once, that comes on. You got to hold it down for a minute to get the light to come on. Second time makes the light strobe. Strobe slower, and hold it down and it goes off. Yeah. Okay. Okay, turn it. Insert the plug into the smart compatibility starter, meaning it has one flat side, so you can only plug it in one way. Correctly clip the red and black clamps to the electrodes on the the terminals on the car battery. Red to positive, black to negative. Start the vehicle. When the vehicle is started, remove the jumper cable from the vehicle battery immediately. Remove the plug from the jump starter. Okay, and troubleshooting, and goes over a bunch of more stuff, information here. It's got a bunch more little pages where I'll probably find out what the flashing green and red light are for on the on this unit. But it seems pretty straightforward, so I'm going to go ahead and plug it in, and then I'll let you know when I actually have to use it again. Alright, take care, and I'll see you around.